If you don't have a green thumb or are fed up with overwatering your plants, don't worry. Today we're sharing the best houseplants that literally need no drainage. Yes, you heard right. No drainage at all. Let's dive in. First on our list is Rough Horsetail, also known as Scouring Rush Horsetail. This herbaceous vascular plant thrives in wetlands and streams. It's a perfect choice if you're looking for a plant that adapts well to saturated, mucky soils. No drainage needed. Next, we have Lucky Bamboo. This amazing plant is one of the easiest to grow and requires absolutely no drainage. You can display it in decorative pots and vases of your choice, adding a touch of elegance to any space. Water Hyacinth is an aquatic weed that can be an interesting indoor plant or a unique addition to your balcony garden, especially if it receives some direct light. Simply float it in a wide vase and remove some growth from time to time if it starts to overpopulate the container. The cypress umbrella plant is another great option. Naturally found in swampy areas, it loves boggy conditions. You can grow it in a pot without drainage, with its roots fully submerged in saturated soil. Perfect for those who tend to overwater. Water lettuce is a beautiful addition to ponds, water gardens, or even containers and terrariums, whether indoors or outdoors. The bottom part doesn't need to be buried under soil because its roots are free-floating. Just use soft to moderately hard water and keep it in a well-lit spot. Water lily, the jewel of the aquatic world, produces stunning flowers in various hues: blue, yellow, purple, white, pink, orange, and red. You can grow water lilies indoors in deep containers or even in small aquariums, adding a splash of color to your home. Finally, let's not forget about houseplant cuttings. Cuttings from plants like pothos, philodendrons, coleus, ivy, African violets, and begonias do remarkably well in a vase of water. With no need to worry about drainage, these cuttings will thrive beautifully. And there you have it, the best houseplants that need no drainage at all. Which one will you be adding to your collection? Let me know in the comments below. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more plant care tips and tricks.